And guys, look at this board. Doesn't it look amazing? Sounds really nice. So let's go to the main event first. So this is the keyboard we're gonna build. This is a Shureku60, and this is a keyboard that Supreme from our Discord designed, heavily inspired on the Old Green keyboard. And this was like a private run. But yeah, it's a gasket mount, very similar to the Ogre. All right, let's get back to the main event. Let's go ahead and start disassembling this guy and building it, shall we? So, as I said, I have the flu, so I am a little bit slower than usual. I am slow already, Panda knows, but today I'm especially slow. Let me bring this on. All right, let's mute the music. Let's enhance. There we go. Let's plug it in. And let me get into here. Let's do tab. Here we go, guys. I forgot to program it, but I will do that after. So here we go. Let's start over. That was terrible. 80, and Marcos Godoy with a guess of 89. There we go. But I must say, it sounds really good. I don't think it's that hollow. I think I'm going to keep it stock. And guys, look at this board. Doesn't it look amazing? Sounds really nice. Yeah, so I am really pleased with the outcome. Let me see here. Why is the music stopped? Oh, it was just low. Okay. So how do you guys like it? I think this set is perfect for it. Really, really like it. Nicom, I loved it. It's on my top 10, top 20 list. Let me do not a typing test, but a couple of different keys. And we were good with the left shift. That's what can I say? I like it like this. I like the feeling.